a Spanish classic made to delight taste buds far beyond the Mediterranean. Heat the olive oil in a large frying pan or wok. Add the onion, red bell pepper, and soften for 5 minutes. Add the garlic, smoked paprika, saffron, and paella rice. Stir for 1 minute. Then add stock. Season and cook uncovered for about 10 minutes, stirring now and again until the rice is almost tender and still surrounded with some liquid. Stir in the seafood and cover with a lid. Simmer for 5 minutes or until the seafood is cooked through and the rice is tender. Add the roasted pepper slices. Garnish with the parsley and serve with olive oil.